Hello, friends, and welcome back to Keith's Kitchen. I don't know what that was. Yeah. This week, we're making an old favorite of mine. I had this all the time growing up. It was one of my favorite things. In fact, I hated it at first, before I'd even tried it. You know when you're a kid, you see something for the first time, and you're like, I don't know about that. In my 3 years of living, I have never seen anything like that. I do not want to put it in my mouth, right? That's what I thought when I saw this coming towards me on a spoon. But eventually it made its way into my mouth, and I discovered how amazing it was. This is delightful. This is Hamburger Tatertot Casserole. All right? Hamburger Tatertot Casserole. It's easy to make. It's delicious. It's a casserole. What more do you need to know? Let's make some Hamburger Tatertot Casserole. Let's do it. All right, friends, step one of our casserole journey, the oven. Preheat it to 375 degrees. Grab yourself a pan, put it on the stove, and add about a tablespoon of butter in there. Turn your heat to medium-high, let it melt, and then to that pan, we're going to add in 1 pound of ground beef. Okay, this is 80-20. You can go whatever you want, but 80-20 is just kind of the best for this sort of thing. Break it up, let it start to fry, and while it's frying, don't be like me, don't forget to do this. Grab a pan, this is a 13 by 9 casserole dish, and spritz it with some oil. Right, you can put some on a paper towel, wipe it down, whatever. This is just some avocado oil. It's made its appearance in several other recipes of mine. Super handy to have if you've got one. Just give that a little spritz and set it to the side. Once your ground beef has fried for about 5 to 7 minutes, so it's mostly cooked, we're going to add in 1 whole onion. Alright, this is a diced white onion. This will add some nice flavor as well as some body to the ground beef, so it's not just meat. Nothing wrong with just meat, but this will help it go a little bit further in our casserole and add some good flavor, like I said. Be sure to salt and pepper this to taste, whatever you want. Now this Worcestershire sauce, add a tablespoon of it. Add 2 tablespoons of it. Doesn't really matter. This stuff is like the nectar of the gods for meat, okay? It takes boring old ground beef and transforms it into something unbelievably delicious. Just trust me, all right? But don't just trust me. Do it yourself. You'll like me, I promise. Once you've fried it up for another couple minutes, set it off to the side, turn the heat off, and grab yourself a bowl because it's time to construct our casserole filling. First things first, for our filling, take a 12-ounce bag of mixed vegetables. This is a corn, green bean, and carrot mix. This was like $1 at Walmart, and it's normally steamed, but I just let it thaw and dumped it right in because it's going to bake in the oven. Take your meat and onion mixture, add that right on top, and make sure you get all the meat and onion out of there. You don't want to waste any. And now, the thing that binds everything together in a casserole, cream of mushroom soup. This is a 10-ounce can. And it was on sale for 50 cents. Can't beat that, right? Add all that in there. Don't waste any of it, okay? And stir to combine. This delicious mixture, deceptively simple, delightfully delicious, is the base for our Hamburger Tatertot Casserole. Alright, using that pan we greased earlier, it's time to construct the Hamburger Tatertot Casserole in whole. Alright, so we're going to add all our filling right in there. Don't waste any of it, okay? Casseroles are not cool if you waste anything, right? Casseroles, or you throw everything in the pan, and that's how, you make a casserole. Here is some cheese. This is about 1.5 cups of shredded cheddar. This isn't 100% necessary, but again, what's a casserole without cheese, all right? But also it helps to keep the tater tots stuck right on top, which is nice. And speaking of tater tots, here they are. These are one of the most delightful little bundles of pillowy hash brown things. Look, if you don't know what a tater tot is, I don't know what to tell you. You'll have to buy some and try it for this recipe. Take them, line them up lengthwise on top of the cheese layer of your casserole dish. Get them all tucked in nicely, and you'll probably use about the entirety of the bag. That was a 2-pound bag, and I used pretty much all of it. So, yeah, you'll need all of it. So get it, nice and packed in there, nice tight layer. And then this last step is completely optional, but I recommend it. If you have Lawry's, use it.
Laurie's is amazing. It takes basic, plain old foods and turns them into magical things. I don't know how they do it. All right, I'm not going to question what Laurie's does, but it's a beautiful thing. Pop that delicious dish right into the oven for about 45 minutes. Pull it out after that time. And, it doesn't look like much right now, but trust me, that's the deceptiveness of a casserole. You're going to love it.
All right, my friends, the Hamburger Tatertot Casserole is done. Look at it. Look how glorious it is. See if it'll focus on that. There it goes. Now this literally just came out of the oven, so it is really hot. Let's give this a try. Try not to burn my face. Oh my goodness. It's like childhood just came and bah! Smacked you in the face. Oh man. Legitimately, this transports me, sucks my soul out of my body, and sends it back to when I was like 7. I mean, it's a complete package, you know? I don't know what else to say. Go make this. Okay? I'm not playing around. All right? This is not a game, not a joke. Go make this. This is amazing. It's comforting. Kids love it. Adults love it. Pets probably love it. Don't give it to them. I don't know if it's safe for them. Everybody loves it. This has been fun. This has been Keith's Kitchen. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next week. Goodbye.